A very warm good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing great at home and enjoying your online classes. So, today I am here with grammar lessons. So, we will do lesson number 20 today, and the name of the lesson is Use of Don't, Doesn't, and Didn't. So, today in this lesson, we will going to learn to frame negative sentences in simple past and simple present tense. At first, you should know that we use don't and doesn't to frame negative sentence in simple present tense. Whenever you will make present simple present tense, while making negative sentence you will use don't and doesn't. Some examples are Rachit, do you like chocolates? So here you will respond it negatively and you will say no, I don't like chocolates. Second one is, does this bird talk? No, this bird doesn't talk. As you can see, both the sentences are from simple present tense. That's why we have used don't and doesn't accordingly. Now let's move to the second point, which is we use didn't to frame negative sentence in simple past tense. You have to pay attention towards this while using the simple past tense. For making negative sentence, you will use didn't. Some examples are, did you watch the news? No, I didn't watch the news. The next one is, did you sleep well last night? No, I didn't sleep well last night. Here, both the sentences are from simple past tense. As you can see, the question is started from did, so did we use in simple past tense. Now let's move to the exercise. The first question is underline the correct options. Here in this question, you have to underline the correct option. Two options are given and you have to choose the correct one. Now, first sentence is I don't or doesn't like milk. Here you can see I is given, so with I we will use don't. So the answer is I don't like milk. The next sentence is Manu don't or doesn't watch movies very often. Here you can see we are talking about Manu, so with Manu we will use doesn't. So the answer is Manu doesn't watch movies very often. The next sentence is Ruchi don't or doesn't speak English well. Here we are again talking about Ruchi. So with Ruchi we will use doesn't. So the answer is Ruchi doesn't speak English well. The next sentence is Amy didn't or doesn't go out as she was ill. Here you can see in sentence was is there. So was we will use with past tense. So we will use which option? Yes, didn't. So the final answer is Amy didn't go out as she was ill. The next sentence is my granny don't or doesn't walk fast. Here in sentence we are talking about my granny. So with granny we will use doesn't. So the answer is my granny doesn't walk fast. The next sentence is we don't or doesn't live in the same locality. Here we are talking about we. So with we will use don't. So the answer is we don't live in the same locality. The next sentence is she don't or doesn't sing in front of others. Here we are talking about she. So with she we will use doesn't. So the answer is she doesn't sing in the front of others. The next sentence is you don't or didn't come to school yesterday. Here in the sentence we are talking about yesterday. So this sentence is from past tense. So in past we will use didn't. So the answer is you didn't come to school yesterday. The next sentence is children don't or doesn't make much noise in the class. Here we are talking about children. So with children we will use don't. So the answer is children don't make much noise in the class. The last sentence of this exercise is they don't or didn't stay at our party for long. They were busy. Here you can see were is given. So were we will use in past tense. So with past tense we use didn't. So the answer is they didn't stay at our party for long. They were busy. Now let's move to the next question. The question is fill in the blanks with don't, doesn't, didn't. Here in this question you have to fill in the blanks accordingly. The first one is we dash celebrate Christmas at our home. We went to Jack's home this time. Here we are talking about we and this sentence is from past. So we will use didn't here. We didn't celebrate Christmas at our home. We went to Jack's home this time. The next sentence is it dash rainy heavily in April. Here we are talking about it and this sentence is from simple present tense. So we will use does here. The sentence says it doesn't rain heavily in April. The next sentence is they dash study in the same class. Here we are talking about they and with they we will use don't. So the answer is they don't study in the same class. Next sentence is I dash waste water and electricity. Here we are talking about I. So with I we will use don't. And the answer is I don't waste water and electricity. The next sentence is he dash pluck flowers. Here we are talking about he. So with he we will use doesn't. So the answer is he doesn't pluck flowers. The next sentence is you dash play tennis last evening. Here we are talking about you and last evening. So this sentence is from past and with past we will use didn't. So the answer is you didn't play tennis last evening. Now let's move to the next sentence. The sentence is my grandparents dash watch English news when they were young. Here in this sentence you can see were is given. So were is from past and in past tense we use didn't. So the answer is my grandparents didn't watch English news when they were young. Next sentence is children dash drive motorbikes. So here we are talking about children and with children we will use don't. So the answer is children don't drive motorbikes. The next sentence is she dash wash her uniform. Here we are talking about she and with she we will use doesn't. So the answer is she doesn't wash her uniform. The last sentence is pandas dash live in hot areas. Here we are talking about pandas, so we will use don't here. So the answer is pandas don't live in hot areas. So this is it for today. In our next video, we will continue with the next chapter. So till then, stay safe at home and enjoy your online classes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye and take care.